Traders, let's go over the daily blitz. A lot of flow, a lot of action, and massive gap down after a Fed rally yesterday. Woo! Glad I avoided that mess with energy names starting to come down and the chickens decided to come out. So usually when you have those commodity names, so energy names start to come down, that is the true sign that the rollover, this bear market is starting to come unwind. So look for the Cathie Wood, the growth, the high valuation, crazy tech stocks to actually bounce when we bounce the hardest. When will that happen? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. So I'm not going to try to predict that. But what I will do is trade individual stocks because I do not trade the damn ETFs or the S&P or the Qs or any of that BS out there. So let's start with number one, BP. Speaking of a short-term bounce in energy, traders betting on the first week of July call options in BP. Stock is beaten down. Maybe they're looking for a small pop, very cheap option. So you'll have day traders come in and out of these throughout the day. Number two, General Motors. Shares down around 6.5% today. And we're seeing some July, so short-term 35 calls. Very cheap, only around 80 cents. So maybe you get a bounce back in those autos. Seeing a little bit of Ford calls coming in. I've been buying some Ford as well in my retirement account because big fan of the automotive names here. So I do think if you have gas start coming down, you probably see the lift in travel stocks and autos too. So look out for that. And then lastly today, seeing a little bit of speculative call buying in AVGO. The July call options, very expensive. So you know me, I don't really touch expensive options, but semiconductors taking a hit today. If you look at names like NVIDIA, AMD, both down around 6-7% off the Samsung news that hit overseas this morning, where they're like, hey, we have so much inventory, we're gonna we don't know what to do with our semiconductor shortage, inflation, and I believe they said they're halting production. So not good there. Probably gonna, definitely rolled over to the tech names this morning as well. So got to stay on top of the markets. I got to get back up to the not in here to the desk up there and get back to trading. But it is definitely a crazy market. So please use proper risk management. Scale down that position size. If you're used to trading, let's say 100 lots, maybe trade 50 lots or 40 lots. You're used to trading 10 lots, trade 5 lots out there. You get the picture, and I'll catch you on the next one.